by the post and state. So number one, yung ilalagay ninyo dito is yung mga platforms, online platforms kung saan kayo sellers. So in our example, it could be Lazada, Shopee, or yung TikTok shop. So ilagay nyo dyan, i-enumerate lang ninyo yung mga online platforms kung saan kayo nagbebenta. So yun lang yung number one. And then number two, that for the period. Ayan, so may blank dyan, ilagay nyo ano ba yung period, taxable period niyo. In most cases, that is January 1 to December 31, 2025. So if hindi naman kayo fiscal year, tax calendar year yung gamit niyo, that is January to December. So yun yung ilalagay nyo dyan. And then, ayan, the gross remittances from sale of goods and services by electronic operators and digital financial services providers. So may dalawang option dyan. Do not exceed 500,000 pesos and exceed 500,000 pesos. So kung gusto nyo na hindi kayo withholdan ni Shopee or Lazada ng 1% of